How to fix auto rotate on Android device. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video we will learn how we can fix if auto rotate is not working on your phone. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, check in your quick settings panel. Swipe down your quick settings panel and here you find an option as auto rotate. Tap on it to turn it on. If this does not work from your quick settings, you could also go to the settings in your device. So open up settings from your device in case it does not work from your quick settings. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on display. Under display, scroll down, search for options as auto rotate. So under other display controls, there is an option for auto rotate screen. Turn it on and then it will work. And in case if that still does not work, restart your phone and check if that helps you or not. Sometimes a simple restart can also fix any glitches from your device, so try to restart your mobile device and that will help you. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.